What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Jasmy. Alright, we'll do a full update, we'll talk about the market circumstances and what to expect in terms of price. But as most of you know, and I've repeated this in the last couple of videos as well, my thoughts on Jasmy have been pretty clear since basically when we dropped down to this level at 2.7 cents. And so far that has also been correct. And I don't see any reason to have a different opinion on Jasmy. All right, so that means what I still expect, and this is what I've been saying and what I've been thinking for the last couple of days. I think Jasmy is consolidating here. All right, we have a strong resistance right here at 3.3 cents and 3.35 even. And then we have a strong support here at 2.7 and 2.5, which we haven't even hit. And we will get to that a little bit later because, like I said, I still think the situation right now, and we'll go into depth a little bit more about that in a moment, but I think the situation is the same, all right? So I cannot tell you anything new about that. So what I wanted to talk about in this video, and then if we don't, honestly, if we don't gain any new moves in the next 24 hours, there will probably be no new update on Jasmy tomorrow, all right? Because, I mean, I can keep making these videos for the views. But if I keep telling you the same thing every video, the value for you is too low, I think. All right, so in this video, what I wanted to talk about, apart from diving a little bit deeper into the technical structure right now, is trade opportunities. All right, things I'm looking at for potentially buying Jasmy, when I would buy Jasmy, when I would potentially short Jasmy also, and just in general, tips and tricks to still make some money while Jasmy is kind of doing nothing, right? Because it's not really doing anything here, especially if you look at the 1 hour time frame. Like 2 times we had decent pumps, and you still remember that. But 2 times I think, and we also talked about that, 2 times I think that was just a little bit of momentum gain into short liquidations, which you can see right here. We had short liquidations at both of these tops. So the first one right here, and then the second one right there. And then after those liquidations, the momentum dropped back down, all right? And right now, what you can see is that the momentum is still very, very low. And that's also the key reason why, like, if you look at the technicals, it's quite easy to say, like, all right, well, we're consolidating. There's no real trend in the price if you look at it like this. But then apart from that, a confirmation of this consolidation is the momentum. Like Jasmy, every time it's relatively bullish, the momentum starts to rally. And the momentum right now, sure, we have a green candle right here that could turn into something. But in general right now, it's very flat. So that's another confirmation of us consolidating. And there's also not really anything going on right here, all right? You can see that overall, some short positions are being opened again, which I think is crazy because we've seen short liquidations in the last couple of days. So everybody who's shorting right now is kind of betting on Jasmy finally falling down. But if we look at the history of Jasmy in the last couple of days, they've always been hunted. Like right now, there's again a lot of liquidity at 3.2. So I again do expect some sort of a momentum, some sort of a liquidity grab at 3.2. But after that, because I think we're still consolidating, we'll just drop down towards like 2.85 and 2.7 again. All right, but there's a couple of opportunities. First of all is the buy opportunity, and I think there's two opportunities that way, and that's either buying at 2.5. I still think like we haven't hit that, but I think that technically that's such a strong level that I would be very surprised if we don't get any bullish reaction from that, which makes it a good trade at least to take initially, and then depending on how it reacts, you can either close or hold it. And apart from that, like the main resistance level we need to break is 3.3. So if we break above that with momentum, which I do not expect, but if we do that, I will buy Jasmy as well. And the main short opportunity is what we just talked about, that another liquidity grab happens, right? So that we see a move up to 3.2 and 3.25. And if we see a move there, we gain short liquidations and we see the open interest decrease after the short liquidations. Then I think you can be pretty sure that that was, again, a short liquidating move and that we will drop back down afterwards like we've done the last couple of times. So that's a short opportunity, but that's a little bit more risky. So those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you needed to know on Jasmy for today. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.